So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're not getting incoming calls. So maybe you're able to call people or whatever, but possibly when you're going through, the calls are not being sent to you, or maybe they're going straight into voicemail and you're just seeing them on your home screen. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have a cell signal of some sort. So whether you're on Wi-Fi or whatever the case is, make sure that you do have some sort of data connection or cell connection. You can always swipe down, and if you have, if it says SOS only or no SIM card or something like that, that basically means something is wrong. But if you are able to see like your cell service provider and or you're connected to Wi-Fi, well then you might be okay and you probably don't have to worry about the first thing. Now, another thing that can probably cause issues is probably if you have blocked callers or blocked contacts or silence unknown callers. So if you go inside of your settings application and if you scroll down until you see the phone icon here, now if it says no SIM, then that's a problem. On my personal device, if I go ahead and go into the same panel, what you can do is if you click into phone, you'll see a little option at the bottom. So you'll see a little thing called silence unknown callers. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure this is not on if you're in that situation where you don't want it on. If this is on, well then what's going to end up happening is that any of the callers that come that you don't have saved on your specific phone application, well they're not going to be able to go through and it's going to go straight into voicemail. So you probably don't want that to happen either. So you may just want to go ahead and untoggle this, and that could probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now if that still doesn't end up working for you, the other thing you may want to go and try doing is making your way back into your settings application. You want to scroll down into general settings, which is right here. Scroll over into software update, which is right there, and go ahead and update your phone, and that could very well end up fixing the problem too. And for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to end up having to do. You can also try restarting your phone, but those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.